Imagine waking up to a Nuer elder, someone who never expected you to speak a single word of their language, and introducing yourself fully, like mentioning your name, where you are from, how old you are in Nuer. Well, I'm going to give you every word you need to do exactly that. Welcome back to Nuer Language School. I am Thok Nath. This is lesson 2. Let us go to today's lesson. Before we start, if you watch lesson 1, you already know these 3 words. If you are new, here, write this down right now. I believe you already know the meaning of hello. Hello means how are you? How are you? Or is it peace? Is it peace? Hello means male. Or you can say is it peace by saying male. Male means is it peace? This is a direct translation. Or you can just simply say male. We already learned about I, which is hand. And we already learned about thank you, which is literally mean my heart is happy. In your language, like you can say chilosh datet. Chilosh datet means my heart is happy. Well, these are the things that we learned in lesson 1. Good. Now we build on those. By the end of this video, you will be able to hold a full introduction conversation in Nuer. Let us go to our first topic here. Well, the first thing anyone asks when they meet you is by saying, what is your name? In Nuer language, we say Shual Shududi. Shual Shududi. What is your name mean Shual Shududi in Nuer language. Very simple. You can just ask anybody, what is your name? By saying Shual Shududi. Shual Shududi. Shual Shududi mean what is your name? Here we have Shual mean called. The meaning of Shual. The meaning of Shut is name. Shut. Name. Du is your. What is your name mean Shual Shududi. Literally call it by what name of yours. That is simple and direct. Now the answer is my name is which means Shual Shuda. Then you mention your name. If you say my name is, it means Shual Shuda, and then you mention your name. Like I can say, my name is Chankos. Shual Shuda Chankot. Da instead of do. Do mean your. Da mean my. Like if I say Shual Shuda, I'm saying my name is. If you are saying or you're asking a person, what is your name? Is Shual Shudu. Do mean your. That pattern will come back again and again. Remember it. Here we have some phrase that you have to learn. Shual Shuda and your name. Go ahead. I will wait. Just say Shual Shuda. Shual Shuda mean my name is. So here is another second question. Where are you from? What is the meaning of where are you from? Where are you from mean Jin Binika. Jin Binika. Where are you from? Jin Binika. Here you mean Jin. Jin mean you. Binika is where do you come from? Binika, where do you come from? The ka at the end mean from. So where are you from mean Jin Binika. Jin Binika. The meaning of Jin Binika is where are you from? Now, the answer, like if somebody asks you where are you from, how do you answer that? You can just say it, I am from Nasser. I am from Nasser. That is in English. In your language we say and ba ka Nasser, and ba ka Nasser. I am from Nasser, and ba ka Nasser. Here are others answered. I am from Akobo, and ba ka Akobo. I am from Akobo, and ba ka Akobo. I am from Ethiopia, and ba ka Ethiopia. I am from Australia, and ba ka Australia. I am from Maine, and ba ka. I am from South Sudan, and ba ka South Sudan. Well, just drop your city or country at the end. The structure never change. You can just put any city or a country. You can even say it. I am from America, and ba ka America. I am from Canada, and ba ka Canada. Let's move on. Another question is here. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? This one is beautiful. Nuer use the word for year, which is run. Year means run, and you literally say I have years. But how old are you mean jinti kerundangdi. How old are you? Jinti kerundangdi. Just use this one. How old are you? How old are you? Jinti kerundangdi. Jinti kerundangdi. Here is the answer. I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. Meaning, anta kerun ti jandang row with a DH. Anta kerun ti jandang row with a DH. Jinti kerun dangdi. How old are you? Anta kerun ti jandang row with a DH. I am 25 years old. I am 30 years old. Anta kerun ti jandang jok. Anta kerun ti jandang jok. I am 20 years old. Anta kerun ti jandang row. Anta kerun ti jandang row. Ta mean I have. So you are saying I have 25 years. I carry them with me. That's the meaning. I am 20 years old. Anta kerun ti jandang row. Larun dapka. Another or section 4. This question. What do you do? What do you do? What does it mean? What do you do? What is your work? What do you do mean engu laladimo. What do you do? Engu laladimo. Jin engu laladimo. What do you do? What is your work? Again, a lot more, or that's the meaning. What do you do? Engu laladimo. Engu mean what? You are saying what? What? Engu. Lat mean, the meaning of lat is work. Lat is work. Mo at the end is your question marker. What's your name? Engu laladimo. All answers start with a hen. A hen, which means I am. All the answer start with I am or a hen. I am a teacher. A hen needs. I am a teacher. A hen needs. I am a student. And gadwil gore. I am a student. And gadwil gore. I am a doctor. A hen kim. A hen kim. I am a doctor. A hen kim. I am a trader. And cook. And cook. I am a farmer. A hen ran. Cock. Simple, we can say it here. I'm a farmer. And poor bell. You can put it like that. Hold on. Wait. Okay. You can just say it. A hen. Poor bell. And poor bell mean I am a farmer. I am a farmer. And poor bear, I am a farmer. I am a farmer mean a hen poor bear. You are saying a gin poor bear, okay? A gin poor bear. You now have everything. Let me show you a full introduction. Slowly first, then at natural speed. Follow along on the screen here. Okay, let's start it with this one, the first one. Person A, Male. Hello. Male. Male. Hello. Huh? Hello mean Male. Yes mean person A, shall shududi. Shall shududi mean what is your name? Person B, shall shuda, you mention your name. Like I can say, shall shuda Chankot. My name is Chankot. Kejin. What about you? Kejin. What is your name? Kejin shall shududi. You can say, shall shuda, you mention your name. Jin binika. Jin binika mean where are you from? Where are you from? Jin binika, where are you from? And Baka, Ethiopia. I come from Ethiopia. You put the place there. And you, Kejin binika. And Baka, Ethiopia. And Henich, Kejin. I am from, you mentioned the place. And Baka, America. I am from America. I am a teacher. And Nich. I am a teacher. And you mean Kejin. And Gadwil Gora, Shiloy the Ted. And Gadwil Gora, Shiloy the Ted. Meaning, I am a student, thank you. I am a student, thank you. And Gadwil Gora, Shiloy the Ted. Birkamal. The meaning of Birkamal is welcome or come in peace. You can just say that. Welcome, Birkamal. That is a complete, real Nuer introduction. To listen and you can already have a full conversation. One thing I want you to notice, did you see Kejin, the meaning of Kejin, at the end of every answer? Kejin. Kejin. Kejin means and you, Kejin. In Nuer culture, conversation is never one-sided. You ask, I answer. I ask back. Every exchange is a relationship. The language carries that value built right in. That is not just grammar, that is who the Nuer people are. So this is it. Now your turn. In the comment below, write your full introduction in Nuer, write your name, where are you from, your age, what you do, use everything from today. I read every single comment and I will correct any mistake personally. Please, if you are new here to Nuer Language School channel, make sure you support the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new lesson, you can be notified. Shiloy the Tet, meaning thank you. Where Kamal mean go in peace. Okay. Thank you. Let's meet on our next third lesson. Bye-bye for now.